This is my latest soldering iron. You can see it is quite nice to see. It has a 3-pin plug top, a handle. It's an insulated handle for holding so that you don't burn your fingers. And if you want to latch it somewhere, there is a latch over here. And this is the heating element which is inside this portion. Heating element of this soldering iron is inside this region. And you have the soldering tip where you apply the solder and then do the soldering. This is a relatively low power soldering iron. This is rated for just 25 watts. And this is useful for soldering small PCBs, printed circuit boards, on which you can fit the components with this small soldering iron.